Brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and today we're going to be making a very special hummus. Hummus is a condiment. It's used. It originates in the Middle East, and now it's almost practically universal. And I found a wonderful recipe on Dr. Mercola's website. Hummus is normally made with beans, and some of you may recall that some time ago we did a recipe here making a hummus from sprouted garbanzo beans. But this time we're not going to be using beans at all. We're following Dr. Mercola. Instead of beans, we're going to be using zucchini and avocado to make something just wondrous. So we'll start with an ordinary kitchen blender, and we'll put some Mountain Valley spring water in the blender. Okay. And then we'll take a zucchini and we'll chop up the zucchini. Okay. And let's put the zucchini, let's put that in the blender and blend it up. Okay. Okay. So we have the base. Let's do another zucchini. How about 2 zucchinis now? Okay. And then in addition to zucchini, let's add some garlic for zestfulness. So here's a clove of magnificent California garlic. And let's add a clove of garlic. And let's add some of a hot pepper or 2. Hot pepper. And let's add a bit of lime juice. How's that? Here we go. And now we're going to add some of our Living Heritage olive oil. It's very high in polyphenols. It comes from the Berkeley olive grove of trees over 100 years old that was originally planted, I think that was originally planted before the First World War. The Berkeley olive grove is not in Berkeley, it's out there around 150 miles from Berkeley, so rest assured. And we're going to add some of this magnificent olive oil. And then our tahini to give the hummus body and texture. This is a very, very special tahini that we make here in Berkeley. It's creamy. It's creamy and utterly delicious. Look at that. Look at that. And we're going to put some tahini in there. And I challenge you. I challenge you to find a tahini with the same texture and same flavor. It's special indeed. We'll put another heaping tablespoon of zucchini in the blender. And now we'll press the button. We'll blend it all up and see what happens. Okay. And now, as our last step, we're going to add a magnificent avocado. And here we go. And this will give it very special body and texture indeed. So here we're using a whole avocado. Okay. So now we blend it on. Okay. Now let's pour some of this. So here we have a wonderful hummus that will go so well with salad greens. Dip your broccoli shoots in the hummus, your asparagus spears, just leaves of lettuce, make it into lettuce kale sandwiches. It goes so well with most everything. So we have this magnificent hummus, and also apple and pear slices. Try it on that. Try it on pasta. Try it on quiche. By all means, please. It's a wonderful thing. Here we are in the midst of Berkeley. It's overcast, it's cloudy, it's cold outside, and here we are. Here we are bringing life to foods, bringing life and intentionality to making a vibrantly alive condiment that will go so well with most everything. Brothers and sisters, it has been a pleasure to share with you. Your comments and critiques are so much appreciated. Thank you, and bye for now.